Good morning, dear students. Students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Students, as we have done question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2A in my previous video. Now today, let's start question number 3 of exercise 2A of your book. Okay. Now see, in this sum, fill in. In this sum, we have to compare these two Roman numerals. Okay. Now see how we will do these sums. Okay. Now see, in A part, VIII, and on other sides there is VII. Okay. Now see, we know that the value of V is 5 and I here I is 3 times. बेटा यहाँ पर I हमारा 3 times है और this is the value of V is 5. तो 5 plus 3 that we will get 8. Okay. Firstly, we will identify these Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic form. Okay. And then we will compare it. Okay. So, see VIII, this will become 8. Okay. Now see, on other side that is V, the value of V, we know that is 5 and II, so here I is of 2 times. So 5 plus 2 we will get 7. Okay. Now compare these two numbers. Here this is 8 and this is 7. Which number is greater? As we know that 8 is greater. So we will put sign on this sides. Okay. Now see, in B part, here we have given XI. And on other side we have given IX. Okay. Now see X. We know that the value of X is 10 and I. So the value of I is 1. So 10 plus 1, this will become 11. Okay. And here IX. As we have done the rules now. Beta, according to the rule, if smaller numerals get subtracted from the greater numeral on its right. Okay. बेटा अगर हमारे पास smaller number greater number से पहले आता है, then we will subtract. See, the value of x is 10 and the value of I is 1. So 10 minus 1, that will become 9. Okay. So the value of ix will become 9. बेटा हमने ये previous video में किया भी था. Okay. Now we will see these two are Hindu-Arabic form. That is 11, that is 9. Now, which one is greater? We know that 11 is greater now. So, we will put sign on this side. Okay. Now, see, it's D part. Okay. Now, see, in case of this, X. Okay. And on other sides, here we have given CC. Okay. Firstly, we will convert these two Roman numerals into Hindu-Arabic form. Okay. Now, see, the value of X is 10. And this 10 plus 10 plus 10. So this will become 30. Okay, I will write the Hindu-Arabic form of X is 30. Now see, on other side there is CC. As we know that the value of C is 100. Okay, here C 2 times. बेटा आप इसमें देखो C हमारे पास 2 times आ रहा है, तो 100 plus 100. That will become 200. Okay, so the value of CC will become 200. So now we will compare these two numbers. Now see which one is greater. That we know that 200 is greater now. So we will put sign on this side. Okay. Now it's E part. Here we have given XXX and on other sides we have given XL. Okay. Now see the value of XXX will become 30. Okay, and the value of XL will become, that is 40, as we have already done. Okay, now the value of X is 10 and the value of L is 50. Now we will subtract 50 minus 10, this will become 40. Okay, so the value of XL will become 40. Okay, now we will compare these two. Now see which one is greater. We know that 40 is greater. So we will put sign on this side. Okay. Now see, it's G part. Okay. Now see, in this side, this is given X and on other side we have given L. As we know that the value of X will 10. And we know that the value of L is 50. Okay. Now we have... Okay, now we will compare these two numbers. Which one is greater? 50 is greater. So we will put sign on this side. on 50. Okay, L is greater than X. Okay, now next part is H part. Here we have given L and on other side we have given C. As we know that the value of L is 50, so I will write here 50. Okay, now on other side there is given C and the value of C is 100. Okay, so I will write here 100. Now students, which is greater one? As we know that 100 is greater than 50 now, so we will put sign on this side. C is greater than L. Okay, now remaining these parts will do it by yourself. Okay, now see question number 4. Here we have given, again this is fill in. Now again we will compare these two numbers now. Okay, now see how we will do these sums. Okay, now see it's A part, X X I. Okay, on other side we have given Hindu Arabic form, that is 12. Okay, बेटा in these sums अगर आपको रोमन न्यूमरल्स गिवन है तो बेटा फर्स्टली वी विल कन्वर्ट दैट रोमन न्यूमरल्स इनटू हिंदू अरेबिक फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ इन केस ऑफ दीज सम्स वी हैव गिवन on this side this is Roman numeral and on this side we have given Hindu Arabic form. Okay, so we will convert these Roman numeral into Hindu Arabic form. So we will get XX, that is 10 plus 10, I. 2 times I is given now. So this will be plus 2. So 10 plus 10 plus 2 we will get 22. Okay, now we will compare these two numbers. Is 22 is greater than 12? Yes, 22 is greater than 12. So we will put sign on this side. Okay, now see B part. Here we have given 4 plus 2 and on other side we have given the Roman numerals X L I. बेटा हमें इन सम्स में इस साइड पे हमें क्या गिवन है? 4 plus 2. Okay, operations given है with the digits. And here we have given the Roman numerals. Firstly we will solve this, then we will compare with these Roman numerals. Okay, now see 4 plus 2, after adding we will get 6 now. 4 plus 2 will be equal to 6 now. Now here we have given XLII. Firstly we will convert these Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic form. So XL will become 40 and II will become 2. So 40 plus 2 we will get 42. Okay, now see which one is greater. As we know that 42 is greater than 6 now, so we will put sign on this side. Okay, now see it's D part. Now see in case of this we have given XX I and here we have given 32. Okay, now see XX, that is 20, I. On adding we will get 20 plus 3 we will get 23. Okay, and here we have given 32. So which one is greater? 32 is greater now. So we will put sign on this side. Okay, now in case of E part we have given XL plus 50 and on other side we have given 50 plus 10. Okay, as we know that the value of XL will 40 and 50 plus 10 will become, on adding we will get 60. Okay, now we will compare these two numbers. Which one is greater? We know that 60 is greater now, so we will put sign on this side. Okay, now come to the G part. In case of this we have given XXXVII. Okay, now we will solve this. This Roman numeral will become, see, XXX, 3 times X is there now, so 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now VII means 5 plus 2. Here I is of 2 times now, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 we will get 37. On adding we will get, see, 10 plus 10 plus 10 we will get 30. Then VII, this will become 7. So 30 plus 7 will become 37. Okay, now on the other side we have given 38. So which one is greater? 38 is greater. So we will put sign on this side. Okay, now see it's H part. Here we have given C and on the other side we have given 50. Okay, now the value of C is 100. We know that now, this is 100 now. Okay, and on this side this is 50. So students, which is greater? As we know that 100 is greater. Okay, so we will put sign on this side. Okay, now see remaining these sums will do it by yourself. Okay beta, one more question. See, it's C part. See, 30 minus 20 on subtraction we will get 10. Okay, and the and on other side that is x, and the value of x is again 10. Okay, now see, this is 10 and this is 10, so compare these two numbers. These are equal, so we will put sign equal. Okay beta, now remaining these sums will do it by yourself. We will do some more sums in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.